students, welcome back to Naaz Lectures. Imagine this, a dark night, a lonely moor, a terrible glowing hound running through the fog, and anyone who sees it dies. Is it a ghost or something more dangerous than that? Today, we are going to explore a thrilling mystery from the famous detective story, The Hound of Baskervilles, written by Arthur Conan Doyle. Let's enter the world of Sherlock Holmes and solve this mystery. Quick introduction of the characters. Sherlock Holmes, a brilliant detective. Dr. Watson, his friend and assistant. Dr. Mortimer, a doctor with a strange story. Lestrade, a police officer. Sir Henry Baskerville, the last heir of Baskerville family. So let's step into the story, which is very interesting. Scene 1. The mystery begins. Dr. Mortimer visits Sherlock with a shocking story. Sir Charles Baskerville has died suddenly. Doctors say it was a natural death due to a weak heart. But there is something strange. Footprints were found near the body. And not just any footprints, they were the footprints of a giant hound. Doctor explains that people in the area believe in a family curse. They say a huge ghostly hound appears and kills members of the Baskerville family. So, Sir Charles himself was very afraid of this legend. Doctor says many people have seen a strange glowing creature. It is huge, frightening, and not like any normal animal. People are afraid to go out at night. Now, Sir Henry Baskerville, the last hay is coming. Doctor is worried. Will he also die like his uncle? So he asks Sherlock for help. Sherlock decides to investigate. He, Dr. Watson, and Lestrade go to Baskerville Hall. They plan to catch the truth behind the mystery. Scene 2. The night on the moor. It is dark. There is a thick fog. Everything feels scary and silent. Sherlock warns, stay away from the moor if you value your life. Suddenly, they start hearing the footsteps. It is Sir Henry walking alone. Then, a terrifying creature appears from the fog. The giant huge appears. A huge black hound, fire coming from its mouth, eyes glowing in the dark. It looks like a demon. The hound runs towards the Sir Henry. Sherlock and Watson quickly fired their guns. The hound falls down and dies. When they examine the hound, they discover something shocking. It is not a ghost, but it is a dog covered with phosphorus. This chemical made it glow like supernatural. Scene 3. The real villain. Sherlock explains everything. The real criminal is Stapleton. He is actually a hidden member of Baskerville family. He wanted the family property and wealth. So he made a clever plan. He used a dog, applied phosphorus to make it look like a ghost, took advantage of Sir Charles' fear. Sir Charles died of shock after seeing the hound. Stapleton also tried to kill Sir Henry, but Sherlock stopped him just in minute. The story teaches us that always logic use logic, not fear. Things that look like supernatural may have real explanations. Intelligence and observations can solve any mystery. Now, question goes to students. Do you believe in ghosts or do you think everything has a logical explanation? Write your answers in the comments. So, students, today we explored the thrilling mystery of the Hound of Baskervilles. We learned the story of a frightening legend, a mysterious death, and how Sherlock solved the case using logic. In the end, we understood that fear can mislead us, but truth always comes out with intelligence. If you enjoyed this mystery, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Naaz Lectures. See you in the next exciting lesson. Happy learning. Bye bye.